guys, right here we're going to make our vegan pumpkin and butternut squash risotto. We have a rondo on high heat. We have a little bit of salad oil in there. We start with our shallots, garlic. We're going to cook this till translucent, and we're going to deglaze with some white wine. So once we've sweated out our shallots and our garlic, we're going to put our boreal rice to toast. We're going to toast this on the bottom for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. After our rice is toasted, we're going to go in with our white wine to deglaze. We're going to want to reduce that by half. Once our white wine is reduced by half, we're going to go in with some vegetable stock. That's 1 quart of vegetable stock. And we're going to let this risotto consume it and drink it up. And then we're going to go and we're going to add our next process after that. Now that our initial quart of vegetable stock has been absorbed, we're going with a little brown sugar, cinnamon, ground ginger, ground nutmeg, black pepper, a little salt, pumpkin puree, some more stock. Once we stir all those ingredients in, seasonings, aromatics, we're going to go in with sage, bouquet. We're going to monitor this, and as it drinks and consumes the vegetable stock, we could go and add a little bit more on a time until we're finished. Now that this risotto has consumed about 3 quarts of stock, we're going to add in our vanilla paste, maple syrup, stir this to incorporate. This will probably be the last amount this is going to drink up before it's done. You will have to look when you're cooking. You want this rice pretty much cooked. Just pick up and it's drinking the last of bit of the stock that we want. We're going to add a little vegan butter. We're going to stir that into milk. Okay, we're going to take out the sage sachet, and then we're going to spill this on a sprayed sheet paper. You can spray that down to cool, and then store it in the cooler for service on the pickup. All right, what we're going to do here is we're going to, on the pickup on the plate build, we're going to do our vegan pumpkin and butternut squash risotto. We got a hot saute here. We got our pre-roasted butternut squash. We're going to reheat that up. Got that hot. We're going to go in with our big white scoop. I believe it's 5.5, 6 ounces of the pumpkin risotto. Just 3 ounces of stock. During that process, you got to watch it as it's getting hot. You might need to splash more of stock. As that's hot, then we're going to finish with a little bit more of that vegan butter. Then we're going to go up on the plate. Little drizzle of olive oil here. Turn of black pepper. And we're going to dance around a good amount of our crispy sage. There you go. Our harvest pumpkin and butternut squash risotto is a vegan dish.